This is Maddie. She's the controller at an auto dealership, and each month she and Benjamin, her counterpart at the bank, need to verify their floor plan inventory. In order to do this, Benjamin has to walk through Maddie's lot and physically verify the VIN of each and every vehicle. This takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money, especially if any of the vehicles are missing. It doesn't need to be like this. Atlas AI for Auto has an easier way to gather this data. With integrated RFID. Our integrated RFID module allows Benjamin to get an instant accounting of all the vehicles on Maddie's lot. What used to take him hours, sometimes days, now takes seconds. But there are advantages for Maddie and her team too. First, her dealership benefits from having constantly updated information feeding into their daily workflows. That means that the people, document processes, and technology they use all have accurate, up-to-date information so Maddie's sales team can sell more cars faster. Maddie also benefits from having an instant reconciliation of her actual inventory versus what she has on her books. An automatic exception report lets her know about any issues before they become problems. Also, because she's able to maintain trust with the bank, she and Benjamin have been able to negotiate more favorable terms, saving Maddie lots of money. Other processes, like vehicle reconditioning and even routine services, can be tracked with precision, allowing Maddie's dealership to accurately measure and minimize their costs. And when a customer returns for service, Maddie's service department can welcome and pre-check them in, saving the dealership and the customer time and frustration. Finally, with RFID, Atlas AI for Auto is like a 24-hour-day, 365-day-a-year lot attendant who can tell you which vehicles change position and when they move. And if a vehicle moves after hours, Atlas AI for Auto can automatically alert police of the unauthorized movement. Because the communication is immediate, the police may even arrive before the vehicle leaves the lot. If not, Atlas provides them with specific details of what vehicle they're looking for and when it moved. So, if you're like Maddie and your job is to help a dealership sell more cars, or if you're like Benjamin and you finance those cars, then you need Atlas AI for Auto. To learn more, visit us online at asset-atlas.com/auto.